Okay, the next mockup I need from you is a new thing in the artist module. And the first thing I want you to do is add a new menu item, and I want it here in the first section, and actually I want it as the second choice. So the first choice will be new inquiries, the second choice will be direct inquiries. And I want you, just like we have down here, I want you to add parentheses and then add free below, or just any number. So make a new menu item here called direct inquiries, and then show behind how many there are in a parenthesis. So the title will also be direct inquiries, and we will have a small text saying something like, here you can see all your direct inquiries. Here to the right, let me first of all say we need a list similar to this list, and we don't need a button here, but we need a drop down here with a small text. The text should say see only, and then there should be a drop down so that you can sort what kind of statuses do you want to see of the direct inquiries. See only. And the list should be, first column should be customer name, second column should be date, just like we have it here, so you can just copy this column and put it here. Then we will have a status, and then we will have an action column, and that's it. Yes. So let me explain what we will have. Of course, customer name will be very simple. Just put in some random names here. The date, you will copy this, so that's also very simple. The status. The status, I want you to have 3 different statuses, and I want you to add colors to these statuses. No booking yet should be red. No booking yet. Customer cancelled. Well, actually, customer cancelled should be red. Customer cancelled, and this one you can call it. You can make it orange. No booking yet, orange. Customer cancelled will be red, and customer booked you will be green. And if you can add a smiley or something, a small kind of icon, just to make it look a little bit good, you know, just to make it look a little bit nice. So if you can add a nice smiley or a check or something next to that one, it will look good. So no booking yet will be orange, customer cancel red, customer booked you green. So that will be in the status column, and then we have the action column, and in the action column you should input 2 icons similar to these ones, except you can use the delete one, that's okay, but we don't want an edit like this one, we want an open. So that should be probably something like a loop or something like that. So it's an action column similar to this one, except no edit but an open column. And let me see, that's it. The last thing I want to mention is the drop down here will of course be for the statuses. So it will say in the text see only, and then in the drop down it will say all, and yeah, so you have to put all in, and then if I click on it I can choose if I only want to see no booking yet or customer cancelled or customer booked you. I hope it makes sense.